Hey guys, I'm Monique Gonzalez, your official SureCoat Systems do-it-yourselfer. Literally. See, I've worked at SureCoat Systems for almost 3 years, and not once have I ever done a demonstration or install of our SureSet product, which makes me the ideal candidate for showing you this today. Also, shouldn't that be grounds for termination? I don't think so. So, let's go and get this area cleaned and repaired.
All right, fellow do-it-yourselfers, if you haven't done so yet, the first thing you want to do is find that leak. Identify any cracks, holes, or voids in your roof surface, as these are the areas of your leak. I'm working with the single-ply seamed roof surface here, so I'm going to be repairing this area that has unfortunately been penetrated by moisture. Apply SureScrub or biodegradable roof cleaner to your repair area. Agitate with a brush, broom, or floor scrubber, let it set a few minutes, agitate again, and rinse. It's just that simple. SureScrub is a low viscosity, concentrated cleaner used to remove the oils, UV degradation, dirt, and factory-applied glaze from roofing materials. SureScrub Roof Cleaner is used to etch single-ply and metal roof surfaces, ensuring excellent adhesion of SureSet. If you're working with an area that has ponding water, be sure to mop away that standing water with a sponge. The surface area can be damp, but no standing water. Since I'm on a timetable with the weather, it's reassuring to know that SureSet is our elastomeric roof coating that's on speed, literally. It is uniquely formulated with faster curing abilities than our original SureCoat product, so it's perfect for roof coating applications during cold weather seasons or those times when a heavy dew or light rain threaten an early wash-off. SureSet Quick Dry is an ideal waterproof coating for complete roof restorations or leak repairs in ponding areas, at splits in roofing membranes, around roof penetrations, and for waterproofing roof drains. Your last step is to make sure cleaned areas are prepped by filling voids, cracks, or holes in the roof surface with SureCoat or latex caulking, and remember to remove or refasten any loose roofing materials in the repair area. Okay, our area is officially prepped. Now it's time to get down to business. The first thing you want to do is apply a liberal amount of SureSet roof coating. Yes, the white goopy stuff. Directly to the roof with your trusty paintbrush included in our kit. If you want to get real specific, our SureSet specialists say that a liberal amount is approximately a 1/16 of an inch thick. You do the math. Did you know that SureSet can be applied in temperatures as low as 40 degrees Fahrenheit? Whoa, that's cold. Now it's time to reinforce. You're going to grab your polymesh roof fabric and cut a piece to fit your repair, making sure to extend the polymesh a minimum of 2 inches beyond the repair area. Just use your own scissors to cut the polymesh. We figure yours are probably better than the ones we'd send. Our polymesh material included in your SureCoat repair kit is a high-grade reinforcing roof fabric developed specifically for additional tensile strength as part of our SureCoat Roof System. SureCoat Polymesh is a unique woven polyester mesh of uniform thickness with voids, in other words holes, large enough for saturation. Next, lay the polymesh in the wet coating and use the brush to force the polymesh into the wet coating you just applied. So once your polymesh is in place, you're going to brush or paint a thin top layer of SureSet over the repair area, encapsulating the polymesh fabric. Applicable roofing substrates for SureSet include built-up roof, modified bitumen, acrylic and emulsion, asphalt, cap sheet, tar and gravel, metal, SPF and concrete, roof systems, as well as Hypalon, PVC, TPO, and EPDM single-ply membranes. No polymesh exposure here. Now we wait. Or do we? Okay, maybe just a little. Remember, SureSet is a quick drying formula, so cure time is within 2 to 12 hours. Once cured, apply one more layer we like to call the finish coat, creating an even 4-ply repair. And voila! For repairs that last 5 years and longer, our specialists recommend that you clean your SureSet and do one final top coat of original SureCoat within 4 to 6 months.
You're on. Hard to believe that took me almost 2.5 years, right? Just kidding, guys. You've seen how quick and easy that was to apply the SureSet product. If I can do it, so can you. So what are you waiting for? Get up there and sure up your repairs.